Hi there, students. A soothsayer. Okay, a soothsayer. A noun, a person. A soothsayer is a person who has the ability to tell what is going to happen in the future. Somebody who can predict the future. Yeah? Somebody who can read the tarot and tell you what's going to happen. I think a soothsayer, this is probably rather an old-fashioned word. I think I might use the word for soothsayer maybe in a story from the Middle Ages or for Greek or Roman mythology. So I guess the Oracle of Delphi was a soothsayer. I think I might use the word a medium or a psychic, yeah, or someone with paranormal abilities nowadays. Okay, so a soothsayer is somebody who knows what's going to happen in the future. Yeah, they've got magic powers and they can foresee the future. Yeah, that maybe a prophet. Yeah, a sibyl as well. Okay, so a soothsayer. These are people who can see into the future and say what's going to happen. A fortune teller or a diviner. Yeah, I think this word is rather old-fashioned, maybe even obsolete nowadays. I think I would limit this to an essay or something like that. So as to formality with the word soothsayer, I'd probably give it a 6.5. I certainly wouldn't use it in an informal conversation, and in a semi-formal conversation neither. I think it would something written, particularly in an essay. Okay, so this is somebody who predicts the future using magic. Yeah. Let's see. As to origin, well, it comes from this word sooth. And sooth is a very old-fashioned, archaic word, meaning the truth. And this actually comes from the verb to soothe, which you probably do know. Nowadays, to soothe means to make something less painful, to relieve, to calm down, to placate or something like that. But in the past, they used to use the verb to soothe, meaning something that proves to be true, to verify, to confirm as true, to confirm the truthfulness of what somebody has said, to bear out, if you like. Okay, so a soothsayer is somebody who tells the truth. Well, the truth may not always be soothing, but that's how it goes. Okay, and let's see. The origin of this word, it comes from Proto-Germanic santhas, meaning true, which comes from the Indo-European sont, yeah, which is part of the Indo-European root s, meaning to be, which, okay, to be, the truth is. So it's got quite an old origin, the word itself. Yeah, so a soothsayer, a fortune teller, a visionary, a seer. Yeah, I guess you don't have to be a soothsayer to work out what's going to happen in this situation. Yeah, okay, or maybe you have to be a soothsayer to work out what's going to happen in the French elections, for example. Yeah, it's a forecaster, a clairvoyant. Yeah, somebody who tells the future. So, enough, a soothsayer. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A soothsayer.